What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to remove the option of right-clicking the images of your WordPress website and saving the image and not seeing the image sources and opening the images into a new tab. Using this, anyone can, for example, steal your images. Imagine that you are a content creator and you build an image especially for one of your posts. Everyone can right click the image on your site, open the image into a new tab using the inspector, or just save the image. And we can hide this, we can remove this feature to make it more difficult from persons to steal from your site, okay? So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on your site's favor, okay? So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new. As soon as you go to this page, review the upper right corner next to the field called keyword, and into the search plugins field you're gonna type no right click image plugin, okay? This is the guy that we are looking for. Click on install now, click on activate. The plugin is completely free, so no need to pay absolutely anything. So as soon as you click into the activate button, the plugin gonna redirect you to the plugins list, the list where you can see all of the correctly installed plugins on your WordPress website. And if you hover your mouse once again into the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse over settings, you're gonna be able to see a new button right here under privacy. You can see the no right click image. Click on it, and here is the features that we have. Allow right click for logged in users. You can allow right click if you are logged in into the WordPress dashboard. You may wish to allow logged in users. Disable dragging of image, disable touch events, disable gesture events, disable context menu into Apple devices. This is important, okay? Because if you do not activate this, anyone with an iPhone or iPad can still copy the image, okay? So after you have all set, you can click on save changes, okay? Changes are saved, and this is pretty much all we have to do. In the case that you like the plugin, you can support the devs by making a donation, okay? After this, now if you log out, okay, you must log out to review the results and try to right click the image. No more menu gonna open, the context menu gonna open no longer, okay? So you cannot drag the images, you cannot right click the mouse to save the image. It gonna protect your images for free. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin. It's free and gonna give you widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. To install, all you have to do is go to WP Dashboard, Plugins, Add New, search for Borderless, click on Install and activate it. Moreover, in the case that you are in needs of an amazing free WordPress theme to power up your site and have a fully customization options, go to our WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Themes, Add New, search for Enzo, click on Install and activate it. It's free as well. And in the case that you prefer to go premium in order to count on our support, premium icon packs, premium blogs, templates, tools, features, access to our complete template library, and many more pro features, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section and I see you tomorrow. All the best.